Traffic? Traffic congestion in Mindanao has been a long-standing problem, causing frustration and delays for millions of commuters. But we have a solution.
Our advocacy proposes a comprehensive approach to addressing traffic congestion in Mindanao.
Investment in efficient public transportation, expansion of road networks, and sustainable transportation options.
The implementation would reduce travel time, increase safety on the road, and boosts economic productivity. We can make a difference.
Together.
Together.
Together. Together.
Join us in driving towards a better Mindanao.